Hey guys, welcome back to today. We're gonna be opening
the maximum gold El Dorado.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see some cool cards, stick around.
What do they make these things out of?
They make these things out of, according to my calculations, metal. Because this is metal, and everything is metal.
It's plastic. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys.
Since when do they make kind of boxes like that?
Yep, it comes with 4 maximum gold El Dorado packs with 7 each. So, like always.
And like always, we're going to be doing the challenge.
Alright, get the
Let's
wheel.
get the wheel. Oops. Get that out of there. Did we get, guys?
Oh, you gotta call a girl and tell me you love them. You're losing this one.
No.
You can't call your mom.
Yeah, that's the rule.
Alright.
No, that's like the last one. I'm going first.
What do we got here? Frame Lord Omega. Then we got the Weather Painter Thunder. Oh, the golden.
Everything's gold.
Oh! Location.
Oh my god!
This is pretty cool looking. These gold borders are really nice.
They're actually really nice.
So it's pack trick. Yes, there might be a pack trick to this. So
Only one.
Them. Oh!
Oh my god!
Crazy. Oh, another. So I don't think there's pack trick, but we got 2 gold cards. Upstart Goblin. That's a good card. Discard 1 card and your opponent gains 1,000 life. Or draw 1 card and your opponent gains 1,000 life points.
That's just bad.
I mean, you get a card, they get life points. I mean, fair trade, guys.
With victory.
Alright, what you got?
I'm not gonna smell this one coming. I didn't smell that one coming. When it comes to smelling, I love smelling. No pack tricks on this one.
You like to stink?
No. Well, I need to smell this card first. Ah.
Yeah, new card smell. You remind me of a YouTuber named Sam. Like a Dragon.
I didn't smell that one coming.
Okay.
Oops.
Oh, saw that last one. Another gold one. What is it? Oh, invoked Macarba? Let's see.
And
Mekaba.
And next one. It better be a gold one.
That's 2 gold. This one.
No.
These
it.
gold ones are pretty cool, but they're sending so off on them, huh?
A little. This one has a very off signaling. Let's check this one out. It's not that. Oh my god, it's so good. Right. This is from the
5D.
The 5D, yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's kind of like when we stopped watching you. For a gold card, this centering's not bad. I think it might be a little off, up and down, but pretty good, huh?
I think we should get that graded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna win. Everybody knows I win always.
I hope I win. If I tell any other girl I love you, then your mom's gonna get mad at me.
But I don't want to be saying it in front of my dad because that would just be weird.
Alright. At the Lost World. Whoa!
Oh my god! I didn't smell that one coming too!
You're ridiculous.
Trap
trick. Altergeist Delquitius. I probably pronounced that wrong, but English is not my first language.
I forgot. Oh my god!
Familiar Possessed. I remember these ones back then. Kagemucha Knight. And ooh, I think you had this on your last one, right?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Alright.
I think I win this one.
No way, no way.
Yes way, yes way. It was so hard to open. Alright. Number CI Ruin Chaos Gate Senya. Cool one. Prank Kids Meow Meow Moo. Chef Whale Cannon.
Sure. It's a cool cannon.
And Curse Aaron!
I don't know what that one is.
Amazing! And look, its picture is gold. The whole entire, the thing around it is gold. That should be good.
Gold theme.
Yeah, it's gold theme. Oh my god! Oh my god! This card is amazing! Oh my god! Check it out! Oh, nobody saw that.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What is that? Is this a gold secret rare? Is that a gold secret rare, Rita?
Yeah, it is!
Oh, look at that foil in the picture itself.
It looks amazing!
Oh, I don't even know what this is, but we'll definitely find out. But that looks amazing.
We should get this graded. We should definitely get that card graded. And no more on the wall. And almost.
Yeah, just a little ding in the corner of this one, though. You guys can see that?
But it's amazing!
Yeah. But other than that, I hope this card isn't too expensive, guys, because if it is, I think I might have lost this competition.
Don't worry, we won't just tell mommy. We won't tell mommy.
Yeah.
But what she won't she watch this video. I lost!
Yeah, I thought you were going to win. Found out that this is the premium gold, but it didn't price very much. I remember correctly, you had to call a girl to tell them that you love them.
I know! I know which one.
You don't get to pick,
I know which one!
You get to pick. Let's see what you got on your contact list. Alright. Mommy can't do that. Got a lot of aunties in here. Grandma.
I think Sophie would be the best chance.
Sophie? You gonna answer?
I don't know.
Alright, let's see if she answers.
I know which one. This one.
Okay, there it is. Hit that one. There.
No, that's double call. No! Oh my god.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright,
I called.
You need to sleep.
Sleep.
Who's Sophie to you? Is she
a best friend.
A best friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is Sophie one of your best friends?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is that why you're calling her?
Yeah. That should be the best idea. What is that in between your teeth?
I got food in between my teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, Sophie didn't answer. Ooh, it's gonna be a tough one. Sophie didn't answer that one.
Auntie!
Alright. Let's call us Auntie A. A, we are filming right now. You are currently on a recording with us, and he lost competition where he had to call a girl to tell them he loves them for the competition.
Auntie A, I love you.
I love you too.
Can I post you in the video, Auntie A?
As long as I can get 1%.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, well, all the punishment chewy on that wheel.
Something.
So it could be very good.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
comment down below what your favorite card is.
And I hope I see you guys next time.